1. Improve your wisdom. It is one thing to be knowledgeable, but it is a completely different thing to be wise. Wisdom does not come from an outside source, but an internal one. It comes from being able to judge things based on the proper perception of knowledge and experiences. Being aware of your perception is the key to improving your own wisdom. What to do? Understand that wisdom does not come all at once. It is a slow process that grows over time like a fine wine. In life you will inevitably have many successes and even some mistakes. It is your job to learn from those mistakes, understand what went wrong, and have the right mindset to grow from the experience. You will need to focus on paying a lot of attention to detail and in making the choices that will continuously make the world a better place. The main way to become wise is to see things as they truthfully are and never allow yourself to fall into deception. Lies only feed ignorance and should always be avoided when seeking to improve your wisdom. Affirmations for wisdom. I have the ability to make wise decisions and always make the right choice. I am very intuitive about situations and can use it to discern the right path. I pay very close attention to my thoughts and what is going on around me. My instincts and gut feelings are very accurate and I have a clear perception of reality. I am very intelligent and always use my knowledge to take the best course of action. Visualization technique for wisdom. At the beginning of your workday, study period, or whatever else you do for the majority of your day, think about your ability to focus and retain the memories of your experiences. Do this by closing your eyes and walking into your imaginary environment with a keen sense of sight, smell, hearing, feeling, and taste. Picture that everything you take in is perceived correctly so that you can use this information to make sound decisions and actions that lead to success. Get specific about this. For instance, if you are currently working on a project with a team of people, visualize that you listen to every person that speaks and carefully analyze anything that they show you. Imagine yourself aware of possible issues by thinking about how the final project would come together. Imagine that you have found something very crucial with this thinking and that it brings the project to completion. All of your teammates are impressed by your critical thinking skills and impeccable wisdom. You feel wise and this feeling empowers you to continue making wise decisions based on careful consideration and in-depth knowledge. Now open your eyes and carry this feeling with you during your day. 2. Learn a new skill. Have you ever wanted to learn something new, but decided against it because you thought to yourself that it was not possible for you? This is the kind of thinking that prevents you from adding to your skills and making yourself into something more. What to do? Stop allowing doubt and negative thinking to prevent you from learning something new. Embrace the new skill without a second thought and enjoy the learning process instead. Rather than believing that you are incapable of learning a new skill or that you will embarrass yourself in the process, just think about how accomplished you'll feel when you finally do get it right. Affirmations for learning. Whenever I need to remember something, it naturally saves in my mind for future use. I immediately pick up on new concepts and develop skills quickly. I am an incredibly fast learner and find thrill in new challenges. I always complete all assignments and projects related to learning. Tests and assignments are easy for me because I always know the answers. Visualization technique for learning. This kind of visualization technique involves constant daily use so that it is absorbed by your subconscious and becomes part of your belief system. First, get into the right kind of vibration by reading inspirational quotes about knowledge, learning and having skills. This will help your mind switch over from having any negative feelings towards the learning process to one that is ready and willing to learn. Now close your eyes and picture yourself in a learning environment. You are able to answer all of the questions your instructor asks and you find yourself feeling more and more knowledgeable about the subject. You are easily able to prove what you learned by doing well on tests and using the skills perfectly. Allow that feeling to fill you with confidence and motivation for your real-life learning experiences. 3. Get better grades. At the beginning of every new semester, we go back into classes with a sense of motivation, dedication, and determination to study hard, complete assignments and ace exams. But by the second or third week in, that combination of powerful feelings begins to fade away, leaving us falling below our potential to get the best grades possible. If you have big plans for life, grades can play a big part in making things a lot easier, so it's important to keep this mindset long after the semester begins. What to do? The law of attraction has helped many students across all types of studies to achieve the grades worthy of a trophy. The main reason we tend to stray away from such a determined and motivated attitude is because we let doubt creep in. This doubt begins eating at your subconscious, telling you that it isn't possible anyways, so why try? Do not let this way of thinking even cross your mind. Believe that you can do anything you set your mind to and don't ever give up. You are guaranteed better grades if you continue to put all of yourself into your studies and use affirmations to keep a positive mindset. Affirmations for good grades. I can easily understand all of what I am taught. My tests and exams are a way to prove how smart I am. I always get good grades because I remember everything I learn. Learning new things comes easily to me, and this shows in my grades. My brain is like a sponge that absorbs everything quickly. Visualization technique for good grades. Picture yourself receiving your report card or viewing your grades and seeing all of them all at 100%. Straight A's are all you can see. You feel proud of yourself and know that you are able to learn anything quickly. Imagine that your teachers or instructors are so impressed by your grades that they tell the other students to be more like you. It fuels your pride and belief in yourself. You feel like you can easily achieve anything you set your mind to. 4. Perform better at work. When you perform better at work, you are more likely to get a raise or be next in line for a promotion. You may even find other opportunities open up just because you are known as a dedicated and smart individual that really knows your stuff. What to do? Every time you go into work, have a plan to execute all of your tasks and assignments and stick with it. Keep a smile on your face and be cheerful in everything you do. Remember that your attitude will spread through the work environment quickly, and that is why it is so important to stay positive. Even when you don't agree with a coworker or even your boss, don't ever respond with a negative tone. Instead, bring your way of thinking to the table in a polite and helpful way. You will be surprised how much power you can have over your work atmosphere when you take an assertive but respectful approach. And above all, don't complain about your day, but strive to see the silver lining in everything you do. Work performance affirmations. I am able to finish all assignments, responsibilities, and tasks on time. I am well organized and manage my time wisely while at work. My managers and co-workers are impressed by my skill and value me highly. My knowledge, experience, and expertise in my field makes me invaluable. I do my job better than anyone else could, exceeding all expectations. Visualization technique for work performance. Picture yourself just arriving at work and you are early. Visualize how confident and comfortable you look as your boss greets you eagerly, commenting on your punctuality. You get to your work area and immediately have a plan for the day. Everything goes smoothly and you meet every deadline ahead of schedule. You are even able to help others become more productive as well. The manager approaches you and mentions that if you keep up such great work, you'll be next in line for that big promotion. You feel completely at ease and have no problem working. In fact, you finish up with so much free time that you can use it to come up with new strategies to improve efficiency for the entire business. You bring your expertise to upper management and they immediately fall in love with your creative and innovative ideas. Cater this visualization to match your own work environment. 5. Get along with others. It's not always easy to get along with everyone, but it can be done. Believe it or not, there is a way to avoid conflict in nearly any situation. It all starts with how you think and feel towards others. There will always be people who you don't like and those that don't like you, but that should not keep you from being able to keep the peace. What to do? Have an accepting, polite, and humble attitude and respect the differences of others. Keep a smile on your face so that people can tell that you are an approachable, friendly person. When you have a different opinion than someone else, even if you are right, agree to disagree or have a discussion about how to compromise if it is a serious matter. Keeping a positive attitude and never raising your voice will keep the debate friendly. Be sure to help out those that are having a hard time and don't be the source of anyone's troubles. Treat others as you would want to be treated yourself. The universe will see that you are doing your part to get along and will attract good people to you. Affirmations for getting along. I get along with everyone I meet no matter what. I always treat others the way that I would want others to treat me. The people I surround myself with make it easy to get along. I have a special ability to keep the peace even in stressful situations. There is nothing preventing me from always behaving kindly towards others. Visualization techniques for getting along. Imagine yourself in a situation that you would normally have a hard time getting along in. Now picture yourself using kind words and being nice to the other person, or simply agreeing to disagree by telling the other person that you respect their right to have their own opinion. Visualize that the other person smiles and appreciates your words and ability to remain kind despite whatever the situation is. Be grateful to yourself for having the self-control and discipline to get along. 6. Build healthy eating habits. In order to change the way you eat using the law of attraction, you will need to change the way you think about food. Your relationship with food has more to do with developing healthy eating habits through your thoughts. What to do? First of all, you will need to change your deep-rooted beliefs about food that have caused you not to eat healthily in the past. Understanding that eating unhealthy foods causes more harm than good will help you be more likely to choose healthier eating habits. Imagine yourself feeling healthier and having more energy when you eat the foods that are healthy and feeling unhealthy and tired when you eat poorly. Use positive affirmations to retrain your brain into realizing the connection between a better you and eating healthy. Lastly, you could turn to a hypnosis recording that addresses these issues on the deepest levels of the subconscious. Affirmations for healthy eating habits. I enjoy eating healthy foods because they make me think and feel better. When I eat healthy, I feel very good about myself and have no regrets. I am able to control my cravings and choose healthy alternatives easily. My healthy eating habits help me live a longer life with better health. I continue to improve my healthy eating habits as I learn more about nutrition. Visualization technique for healthy eating habits. Do this exercise upon waking up in the morning while you are still in bed to get your day started off right. When you picture healthy food, visualize that it goes into your stomach and makes you feel energized, full, and healthy. Imagine that the tastes of the healthy food makes your mouth water and gives you a feeling that you are doing something wonderful for yourself. Now visualize junk food and other unhealthy things in your diet and picture how they will make you feel nasty inside. Imagine that they are poison and that eating them will remove years off of your life and make you feel sick. Visualize that these foods taste like chemicals and disgust you. Even the thought of taking a bite would make you nauseous. Now use one or all of the affirmations and feel good about making healthy choices all day long. 7. Stop smoking. Once you start smoking, it becomes an endless cycle. Even if you have wanted to quit in the past and failed, the law of attraction can help you overcome this habit. Whether you have been smoking for many years or are nipping it in the bud quickly, it can be done. What to do? Remove the reasons behind your smoking by addressing the emotional and physical issues. If you smoke because you are bored, find something else to do with your time, such as reading books or playing a quick game on your phone. If you smoke because you are stressed out, try meditating and relaxing some other way. There are plenty of ways to unwind without lighting up. If you are trying to be cool around others, understand that smoking makes noon cool. True friends won't care if you don't smoke. If you feel like you're out of control, use positive affirmations and visualization techniques to rewire your mind so that you feel more powerful. Affirmations to stop smoking. I am able to stop smoking immediately without feeling deprived. Smoking is no longer something I need or want to do. I will never pick up another cigarette again for the rest of my life. I feel healthier, happier, and more energetic when I don't smoke. My withdrawal symptoms will go away and I will feel better than ever. Visualization technique to stop smoking. Visualization must be used in conjunction with affirmations for best results. It is recommended to use this visualization exercise 2 or 3 times each day. Start off by using your positive affirmations and repeat them several times. Now visualize the money that it takes to purchase a pack of cigarettes. Picture how big that money pile will grow in a week, 2 weeks, a month, even a year. Imagine what you can do with that money now that you no longer need it to buy cigarettes that only get thrown in the trash. Now picture yourself a month after quitting. You can breathe easier, you no longer cough at night, and you smell much better to non-smokers. Your home and car no longer smell like an ashtray and your breath is clean and fresh. You can now climb stairs without your heart racing and you have more energy. You feel healthier and stronger. Your teeth and nails are finally looking white again too. Use this visualization when you begin to cave into temptation and you'll gain the strength you need to stop smoking forever. 8. Eliminate alcohol abuse. As with other addictions, the law of attraction provides a powerful way to use your mind to overcome them. Though alcohol abuse can be a severe problem, it can be eliminated by wanting to make a change and believing that you can do it. What to do? Address the same issues associated with quitting cigarettes to overcome your addiction. Be sure to include others in your healing process that can bring positivity and encouragement during times of weakness. Meetings or online forums are a very good way to do this. Affirmations to eliminate alcohol abuse. Alcohol no longer controls me and I do not want or need it in my life. I am a better person when I am sober. My friends and family are happier when I am sober. Life is full of hope and anything is possible when I am sober. I have total control of what I drink and I choose to stop drinking alcohol. Visualization techniques to eliminate alcohol abuse. The most common visualization technique and the one that is most effective is one that gives you a glimpse into a sober future. Picture yourself 5 years from now as if you have stopped drinking starting now and turn towards other things you are passionate about. You could be anywhere you want within 5 years' time when you don't allow alcohol to get in the way. Imagine where you want to be in as much detail as possible and allow those feelings to keep you on the right track towards your new, sober, and successful future. 9. Overcome drug addiction. Drugs are the most serious of all the addictions, but there is always hope when you have the law of attraction on your side. It's very important to know how life-threatening and dangerous drugs can be. If you use drugs on a regular basis, you should take the time to do something good for yourself and overcome the addiction. You will wonder why you ever started using them in the first place. What to do? The first step is to go to a rehabilitation center and get help for the physical withdrawal symptoms if necessary. Enter the program with an open mind and positive attitude so that you can get the most out of it. Use daily meditation, visualization techniques, and positive affirmations during your recovery and continue to do so once you are finished. Also use the same methods for quitting smoking and alcohol abuse. Affirmations to overcome drug addiction. I no longer want or need drugs in my life to be happy. I am happier, healthier, and more myself when I don't do drugs. Now that I don't do drugs, I will live longer and feel better. Being clean is an incredibly free feeling that I enjoy immensely. I now have inner peace because I no longer use drugs. Visualization technique to be drug-free. Use a combination approach to this visualization. Use the one to quit smoking and the one to overcome alcohol abuse together. Replace the cigarettes and alcohol parts with visualizations about being drug-free instead. 10. Manage anger. When you lose control over your anger, you lose control of yourself. If you have difficulties reining in your anger, you can benefit from a little anger management using the law of attraction. Even if your anger comes on suddenly and without warning, there are ways to combat these emotions and feelings so that you can feel balanced and in control no matter what may come your way. What to do? Before you do anything else, you must first understand that you have complete and total control over your mind and actions. Spontaneous outbursts only add fuel to the fire in times of stress and should never be allowed to surface. But you also cannot let everything stay bottled up inside either. Meditate during times when you are angry and allow yourself to cool down before facing a hot issue. Remind yourself that you must remain calm when you are angry in order to bring about the best results. Use positive affirmations on a daily basis combined with visualizing situations where you keep your cool. It is also a good idea to talk things out before they escalate into a bigger problem. People may not even realize that you are upset about something unless you say something in a calm and respectful way. Another way to remove anger is to learn forgiveness. Affirmations for anger management. I am able to keep myself from feeling out of control when I feel angry. When I am faced with a threat or stressful situation, I handle it calmly and collectedly. Even when a situation is frustrating, I am able to maintain a positive attitude. Calming down and relieving stress comes naturally to me. When I feel angry, I am able to release it in a constructive and responsible way. Visualization techniques for anger management. Use this technique at the first sign of angry feelings, or if you know that you will be facing a situation that makes you feel stressed and frustrated. First, close your eyes. Disconnect yourself from the troubling situation and imagine that you are leaving your body and floating above what is happening. Now visualize yourself responding with a calm tone and careful words. Feel the tension leave your body and let go of the anger. If you still feel too angry to control yourself, picture yourself in a place that makes you feel completely at ease. This could be anything that you love to do, such as water skiing or riding a roller coaster. It could also be simply relaxing on your own private island paradise. Once you begin to feel that happiness inside, it is okay to open your eyes and respond as you pictured yourself doing when you disconnect yourself from the situation. Between your toes. Now picture yourself with a pen and sticky note paper. Write down the things that come into your mind that are making you feel weak. When you are finished, roll up the little pieces of paper into tiny scrolls. Place them all into a bottle and seal the lid shut, symbolizing your readiness to let them go. Using your strong arm, throw the bottle into the ocean as far out as you can. Now watch as it slowly but surely disappears on the horizon and the problems are gone. Just as the bottle of problems vanishes, you begin to feel a strength coming from within your body. Visualize that strength radiating out of you and surrounding you with a shield. You suddenly know that nothing you experience will ever be able to get you down again. This shield will help you see the bright side and remain positive even when things are not going as planned. Now smile, open your eyes and feel a sense of total relief, knowing your shield is always in place.